To this on-demand franchisor session presented by masterfranchiseopportunities.us and Franchise LYNC, part of the responsible franchising ecosystem under RFRT, right franchise, right time. If you're feeling the pressure of rising PPC costs, if broker commissions keep climbing, or if you're getting more noise than real candidates, you're not alone. Franchise buyer behavior has changed. Today's serious candidates research quietly. They look at job listings, they compare resales, they evaluate multiple brands long before they ever fill out a form. That means the old funnel approach simply doesn't produce the same results. And that's why more franchisors are shifting to a cleaner, transparent, direct-to-franchisor model, the core of responsible franchising. In this short session, I'll walk you through exactly what's working right now. A simple, modern approach that attracts serious, ready-to-move buyers without relying on brokers or overspending on paid ads.